Oh no, you are on the bus, you are on the train, you are in the taxi, but you don't know what to say. In this lesson, you will learn the most common mistakes and the correct phrases. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. You will feel confident. You are on the bus. Oh no, you missed your stop. Do you say this? Hey, stop! I need to get out! Stop the bus!
I cannot stop here.
Why not? Stop-san! Oh no, this is wrong. Don't shout. Don't say stop the bus. Instead, say this. Excuse me, I think I missed my stop. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Where are you going?
Green Street, please.
No problem. Stay on the bus for 2 more stops.
Thank you so much. Don't say, stop, I need to get out. Say, excuse me, I think I missed my stop. Be polite, be calm. You are at the bus stop. You want to buy a ticket. Do you say this? Give me a ticket.
Where to?
City Center.
That's $2.50.
Here.
Thank you.
Oh no, give me is too direct. It is not polite in English. Instead, say this. Hello, could I have a single ticket to the city center, please?
Of course, that's $2.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Don't say, give me a ticket. Say, could I have a ticket, please? Could I have, this is very polite. Very natural. You are at the train station. You see a train. Is it your train? Hey, is this my train?
Which train do you need?
I don't know. Dublin?
Platform 3. What?
Oh no. Is this my train? Be clear. Be polite. Instead, say this. Excuse me, does this train go to Dublin?
Yes, it does. This is the 10:15 to Dublin, Houston.
Oh, wonderful. Which platform, please?
Platform 3. You need to hurry. It leaves in 5 minutes.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Don't say, is this my train? Say, excuse me, does this train go to Dublin? Simple, clear, polite. The train is full. You see one empty seat. Do you say this? Move, I want to sit.
Sorry?
Yeah. Oh no, this is very rude. Never say this. Instead, say this. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Go ahead.
Thank you so much. Could you move your bag, please?
Of course. Sorry about that.
No problem at all. Thank you. Don't say, move your bag. Say, excuse me, is this seat taken? And, could you move your bag, please? Always say please. You get into a taxi. You are in a hurry. Do you say this? Airport, fast. Oh no, 2 words is not enough. Be polite. To the airport, please.
You got it.
Instead, say a hurry. Good morning. Could you take me to the airport, please? Terminal 1.
Of course. Is that Dublin Airport?
Yes, please. I need to be there by 11 o'clock.
No problem. It should take about 25 minutes.
Thank you. That's perfect. Don't say airport fast. Say, could you take me to the airport, please? Give the terminal. Give the time. Be clear. You arrive. The driver stops. Do you say this? Stop here. How much? Oh, this is too short, too cold. In English, be warm, be natural. Instead, say this. Could you drop me off here, please?
Of course. That's $14.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
You too. Safe travels.
Don't say, stop here. How much? Say, could you drop me off here, please?
And always.
Have a lovely day. This is natural. This is beautiful English. Today you learned 6 common mistakes on public transport. On the bus, on the train, in the taxi. Remember, always say excuse me. Always say please. Always be polite. No. Practice. Repeat these phrases every day. And tell me in the comments, which situation is most difficult for you? The bus, the train, or the taxi? Don't be shy, speak English. You can do it. Subscribe and let's learn English together, step by step. See you in the next video.